Welcome to the Agentforce MuleSoft series, where digital transformation meets intelligent automation. Whether you're a seasoned Salesforce professional, a MuleSoft beginner, or simply curious about APIs and integrations, this series is built just for you. I will be diving into real-world use cases, live demos, smart API design, and powerful tools that make Agentforce run smarter, faster, and stronger. From building scalable integrations using MuleSoft to unlocking the full potential of Salesforce with reusable assets, this channel will be your go-to guide for enterprise automation. Let's begin connecting Salesforce org to any point platform. To get started, I'm already logged into both my Salesforce org and Anypoint platform accounts. In Salesforce, go to Setup, Launch, Einstein Setup. Turn on all three options: Einstein, Prompt Builder, Admin. Don't worry, I'll dive deeper into these in future episodes. Enable Agentforce integration. Navigate to Agentforce agents. Toggle the switch to enable integration. This will reveal the Anypoint platform setup for connecting Salesforce with MuleSoft. Establish the connection. Click on View Connection. Info copy your Salesforce org tenant key. Head over to Anypoint platform. Access management. Click on Salesforce org. Paste the copied tenant key. And click Add. Finish the setup. Copy your Anypoint org key. Go back to Salesforce and paste it where required. Click Connect. Enable API import in Anypoint. If the import options are disabled, go back to your Salesforce org and ensure all relevant permissions and toggles are turned on. Since the toggle is not turned on, let's do it one by one and refresh to page to view the reflected changes. And just like that, the connection is live and ready. If you're ready to future-proof your skills, tackle real business challenges, and be part of the Agentforce evolution, hit that subscribe button and let's build together. Stay tuned for the next episode where I'll dive into Agentforce basics and the topic center. You won't want to miss it.